In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch YouTube in incognito mode. Incognito mode is a private browsing mode in Google Chrome that helps you keep your activity more private on your device. When you use it, Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information entered in forms. This is useful if you don't want YouTube searches and videos to affect your recommendations, or if you're using a shared computer and prefer not to leave a trail of what you watched. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're on your Google Chrome dashboard. That simply means you have Chrome open and you're looking at a regular browser window, either on your homepage, a new tab, or any website. It doesn't matter which page you're on, as long as you're inside the Chrome browser. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu button for Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options, such as New Tab, New Window, and so on. From this menu, find and click on the option that says New Incognito Window. As soon as you select it, Chrome will open a brand new window that looks a little different from your usual one. The background is typically darker, and you'll see a message explaining what incognito mode does and doesn't do. Remember, your activity won't be saved in your browser, but your internet provider, school, or workplace may still be able to see what you're doing. Now that you're in the incognito window, click into the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you usually type website addresses. Type youtube.com and press enter on your keyboard. Chrome will take you directly to the YouTube homepage inside this private browsing session. Once YouTube loads, click on the YouTube result if needed, and you'll be on the familiar YouTube interface. From here, you can search for videos using the search bar at the top, click on recommended videos, or browse any channels you like. Because you're in an incognito window, your searches and watch history from this session won't be saved to your browser history, and they won't influence your regular YouTube recommendations when you go back to normal browsing. When you're done, simply close the incognito window, and your private session ends immediately.